Welcome to the Xcan It Dashboard. This is where you find answers to your most likely questions. The Reports tab shows the cumulative totals for unique visitors, properties, and visits. The next tab is the User tab. If you are a single user, only your username will show on this page. If you are a primary or single user, your role will be super admin, and as a super admin, if you have added users, you will also see those users listed on the List of Users page. All of your users can be viewed here. This page lets you add users. By clicking on the Add User button and following the link, you can set up a separate dashboard for your additional user. They can create and edit their own QR codes. If you have a single business or branch, right now, there isn't the functionality to have separate team logins. This is on the roadmap, and when available, we will let you know via email or through the newsletter. Right now, the best way for other team members to access your dashboard is to share your login. If a team member leaves, the best practice is to change your password and share the new one with your remaining team. If you add users, the added users can't see other users' dashboards, but super admins can see all their users' dashboards. The Custom Codes label displays your users' bespoke QR codes and lets you add, edit, or delete them. By clicking on the Invoices tab, you can see a list of your invoices. Here you can view or download them. By clicking on the Rows drop-down here, you can choose how many rows to display. When you click Billing Account, if you are the system administrator, you will be directed to your Stripe payment gateway. In the top right-hand corner is an icon of either the sun or the moon. This toggles light or dark mode. Select whichever is most comfortable for you. Clicking the person icon displays the Settings page link and the Sign Out link. The Settings page is where you can update your branch details and edit the look and feel of your QR code design using the Edit QR Code template button. And the Logout does what it says on the tin and logs you out.